Based on the construction and operation, compressors are classified as positive displacement and dynamic type. In positive displacement compressors, air is compressed by displacing a fixed volume of air to a reduced volume. They can be rotary or reciprocating type air compressors. In reciprocating type, air is compressed by, to, and from motion of the piston. They can be single-acting or double-acting. The rotary air compressors use rotary motion of the rotors to compress the air. The different types of rotary compressors are screw, scroll, and vane. In the dynamic type, air is compressed by increasing the velocity of air and forcing it into a progressively reduced volume. They can be centrifugal or axial flow air compressors.